Fairhaven Excavating is one of the few South Coast companies to offer the combined services of asphalt paving, excavation, and snow management. The key to our success and growth in snow management is in how we develop relationships with our clients and in our strong relationships with commercial developers and property management companies, and in our reliability. Your customers, employees, residents, and suppliers count on us to clear the way. Our fleet of snow removal equipment ensures that your walkways, access roads, driveways, and entrances get immediate and constant attention during the entire snow event. Let Fairhaven Excavating put their snow removal fleet, experience, and reputation to work for your company. Fairhaven Excavating, clearing the way for over 60 years.